the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. In our program Gems of India, we bring you an interview with Nachiketa Goyal and Prema Arya from Blood Connect, a student movement for blood donation. The interviewer is Kaushik Roy.
The gift of blood is the noblest and most precious of all gifts. Blood is a precious gift that saves human lives and is equivalent to breathing life into someone. Blood donation is a remarkable and noble act of service to humanity. It is said that the blood is a red gold in time of saving. Today we are indeed privileged to have in our studios Nachiketa Goyal and Prema Arya, both students, and more than that, they are soldiers and volunteers of blood donation organization that is called Blood Connect.
Kaushik, let me interrupt you to introduce something. Blood Connect has composed a theme song to popularize and propagate their work. It has not been released for public till date. We have the honor of playing it for our listeners for the first time. That was a lovely piece of music. Another piece from the same composition will be before you on conclusion of Kaushik's conversation with Nachiketa and Prema. Over to you, Kaushik.
Thank you both for joining us. And before we start, Prema and Nachiketa, can you tell our listeners a little bit about yourselves?
I am Nachiketa. I'm in the final year law school from Amity Law School, Noida.
Great.
I'm into this organization for the past 1 year, 1.5 years to be precise, and been the marketing head for Blood Connect.
And I'm Prerna Arya. I am a student in IIT Delhi. I'm doing textile technology and I'm in my 3rd year right now. I've been working in Blood Connect since the past 2 years and currently I'm the expansion and R&D head.
For the benefit of one and all, I'd like to recollect something which I myself underwent about 2 years back, exactly 2 years back. A friend of mine was in need of blood as his wife was to undergo a surgery. And we needed 6 blood donors, and so we got in touch with Blood Connect, and those were very difficult days for Delhi because of some kind of agitation was going on in this city. So, but still, Blood Connect volunteers did reach the hospital, and what touched us very much was they promised and they were there. So Blood Connect, thank you very much. And Nachiketa and Prema, your organization is named Blood Connect. What is the story of the origin of your name? Could you tell us?
So basically our organization started 3 years ago with our founder, Mr. Nitin Gant. He was a student from IIT Delhi. He needed blood for one of his friends, and it was very difficult for him to arrange that blood online. So he tried to go knock door to door to get his friends to donate blood. That's how the concept came in, and he realized that it's very important that all of us have a database. In case we have an emergency situation, we could contact people and ask them to go and donate.
Right.
That's where Blood Connect came in, that it connects people to the cause of blood.
Absolutely. And who are the stakeholders in your organization, and who are partnering you in your mission, this wonderful mission?
So basically, we don't have any stakeholders as such. We are an independent student organization run by students across Delhi and NCR. We have a board members team, which is passed out from various colleges from Delhi. Apart from that, we have a tie-up with certain NGOs, like Sapna NGO. We have a tie-up with Red Cross Society, the ISBTI, that's a blood transfusion society in India. And we have had a lot of camps with corporates. So they cannot be called as exact tie-ups, but we have been in association with.
Well, here I would like to ask you, Nachiketa and Prerna, how do you organize all this? I mean, how many requests do you have in a day, and how do you manage that?
So basically requests, anyone can raise a request on our website. As soon as a request is raised on the website, all the core team members and all the team members receive an email. That email has the requirements of the blood along with the patient's details, the details of the hospital, and various other details.
Yes.
Our helpline team contacts that person to see if the case is a genuine case or not. If needed, we contact the hospitals as well.
Right.
We locate the hospital, the location of the hospital. We send a donor who is living in that periphery, and that donor is requested that if you can just go down to that area and donate blood. That if the donor accepts, we go ahead with that donor. If he does not accept, we go a little beyond the periphery and find another donor.
From somewhere nearby area.
Somewhere nearby.
Right.
In case we are not able to do that, then our student volunteers, our team members, they also go out and donate blood. So this is the basic mechanism how we work the helpline team. Apart from that, we have blood donation camps across the city. So that is a different team altogether.
Of course. And I wanted to know how many requests do you get daily? Do you have a ballpark figure that
So we've had around 700 requests since the time we started.
Right.
And it depends actually on the season, also the kind of requests we're getting and the number of requests we get. In the peak dengue season, you'd expect around 10 to 15, but otherwise around 3-4 requests.
Your vision statement states that safe blood, right blood bank at right time across India. Could you tell us a little bit more about this vision of yours?
A person who is in dire need of blood can approach a blood bank. But just in case he's not able to get the right blood bank at the right time, that may cause a lot of problems for that person, for that family. So in that case, we are the people who come into picture and help out in this act, basically.
How can a layman contact you if he or she is in need of blood or needs to donate blood?
So we have our website. So in case the person has access to internet, they can come and raise a request on our website. They can also, in case they want to donate blood, they can register as a volunteer on the website. We've also given some contact numbers on the website, so they can call us up and get in touch with us. We also publicize our website as much as we can.
Right.
Through Facebook also.
Right, that's great.
So just for the information, I can add the website. It's
Yes, please.
www.bloodconnect bloodconnect.org. BLOODCONNECT.org.
Tell our listeners briefly